Here I have stretched out the vinyl. I put it face down and I flipped the platform over so the bottom side was up, and I cut around the perimeter of the plywood. Reinstall the plywood with the vinyl on top back in the van. So here's the flooring. It's all laid down. I still have to use some spray 90 to glue it down and do the trim across the back. Not sure what I'm going to use there yet. I kind of like Rich's idea of just nice piece of trim from our friendly Lowe's or Home